Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Unit 5, Section 1, page 106 to 110, A Mother's Struggle. With difficult vocabulary. Frenzy. A state of great emotion or activity that is not under control. Uncontrolled excitement or wild behavior. Frenzy means not controlled, not in control. Some emotions, some feelings that are really out of your control. Like if suppose if someone hears about the death of some very close or beloved person, then the thoughts, they get haphazard. You cannot think straight. The way you react, it's not controlled. That's why people who are very controlled and calm, they also start shouting, crying a lot, extremely, like haphazard way they react. In a frenzy of rage, with being angry, she hit him. The media frenzy over the celebrity's wedding. Frenzy over means mad or crazy, okay? So the audience worked themselves into frenzy. They became mad or crazy as they waited for her to come on stage. Ferry boat. It's a noun. A boat that carries people, vehicles or goods across a river, especially over a relatively short distance, and has a regular service. This picture is one of the modern ones. They crossed the river by ferry boat. She took the 5 o'clock ferry back home. A steam ferry boat lay at the seaside puffing and snorting. Puffing means, this smoke is coming out, and snorting means making a sound. Difficult vocabulary. Next word is public house. Public house means a kind of a place where you can get alcohol or food, okay? It's an establishment licensed to serve alcoholic drinks only at the place. We took lodging at a cheap public house in the town. They visited a public house in London. He slept in a public house and next day resumed his search for the employment. Sullen, it's adjective, bad-tempered, being angry. His daughter stared back at him with an expression of sullen resentment, means they don't like it. She looked up at the sullen sky and shuddered. Sullen sky means angry sky. Angry sky means a lot of clouds, thunderstorm most probably. They stared at him with an expression of sullen dislike. The skies look very sullen. What to do? You need to write down these difficult vocabulary in your copies and make sentences of your own. Okay? Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.